Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
This question is from Bosnia. They would like to know, Jesus Isa alayhi salam came not to change any jot of previous law, Torah, while we know that he changed a teaching of forgiveness instead of taking revenge. How we can solve this problem?
In Arabic first. This question has always been raised, and I have referred to the Bible. If you read Bible closely, the Bible did not only speak of taking revenge, but also it mentions that if you can forgive, you forgive. So this small window is left in the teaching of Moses, which people don't understand. But the Jews, because they were hard-hearted, they only emphasized the first part of the teaching, eye for eye, tooth for tooth, and this and that. But Jesus did not change Bible, only he used one small window which opened towards forgiveness. And he emphasized forgiveness for the reason that if he had not emphasized forgiveness, the Jews had by that time become so hard-hearted that if they were given a choice, they would definitely prefer revenge over forgiveness. So Masih took away the choice from them, but according to the Bible. So it is a seesaw in the history of nations. First they were so soft-hearted that they forgave others in the name of forgiveness, while they were cowards. They did not want to stand against those who usurped their rights. So Moses said, no, you have to be hardened. And after a long time they become so hardened that they forgot to forgive. So in both ways, these were remedial measures by Allah to pull them from one extreme at one time and the other extreme at the other time. The Holy Quran, with the grace of Allah, mentions both these things. If you are wronged, if you are transgressed against, you have every right to take your revenge. But if you forgive, that is much better in the sight of Allah. So it has a perfectly balanced teaching. Now you understand? Yes.